this series, Oliver, presented by JBC in association with Restaurants of Jamaica Limited and their product Kentucky Fried Chicken, for nobody does it better, and together with Shandy Carib, the one-of-a-kind refreshing drink, distributed by Wissinco.
Oliver, your large, 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 and your name gone abroad. Are you Oliver? Are you Oliver? Are you Oliver?
This hungry monster is out to raid the cupboard for a treat. And here comes a great little sausage with a great big taste and all the fine Viennas in the can from Grace.
For a sumptuous feast or a tasty treat, Grace makes Viennas that are great to eat.
I love them all. I'll take the lot.
Oh, no, you won't. You're just plain greedy.
But Grace Viennas are so good to eat.
Then share this can with me, my friend.
By Grace.
Grace Calypso Punch. All the goodness of sun-ripened fruit. Delicious, refreshing. Grace Calypso Punch. For quality and taste, by Grace Calypso Punch. You can't buy a better quality mackerel than Grace Mackerel. Quality, guaranteed by Grace. And that's why more consumers buy more Grace Mackerel for quality and taste.
I wish you idiot that have on them lights on the screen. You know realize that show can't start with light on the screen. Me tell her, I must some country fool. Hey, when I find them, I can't come me. Idiot! I want to see all the boy like that. What kind of foolishness that them boy was that?
Oh man, the man without the car top. I feel like turning, you know, brother. Yeah, man, lock it off, come on.
Kiss me, I could have shown me lock off my light, you know. You tell them carry embarrassing, you see, man. You see all me not borrow it again, you know. Never. Why thing hurt me, see, man? I look at me and shout up on the man, and me look like me an idiot, you know. Sure. You all right here? You can see?
See what?
The movie.
No, where it is.
It not started for you.
So, Oliver, if it not started, how you expect me to see it?
The screen. Over there, so.
Oh! You mean the big white thing?
Yes, I mean the big white thing.
Yes, man, I'm okay here. I can see.
Good.
Oliver, don't bother feel it's the first time I come into the movies, you know. I was just pulling your legs.
Yes, Fear. I understand. I'm talking about legs. Why you have to wear these tough, tight jeans?
No special reason. It matter?
Not really. But normally people are going to drive in, wear a skirt or a nice loose shorts.
Why?
Well, you see, a tough, tight jeans don't give me no flex. I mean, it don't give you no flexibility.
Oliver, what kind of flexibility you want for us to sit and watch a movie?
Well, Joe, forget it, man. Forget it. But next time you come out with me, I say, please wear something more convenient.
Stop your foolishness. Nothing is wrong with what I'm wearing. It's stone wash or acid wash. I don't even quite remember.
Stone. Definitely stone. You don't want nothing to eat?
You're asking me or you're telling me?
Ask me for you.
That don't sound like a question. That sound like an order.
It's not an order, it's a question. You don't want nothing?
No, I don't decide yet. Tell me, Oliver, where's the bathroom in this place?
You want bed?
Oliver.
It's a joke me making. Come out, I can't go around so you turn right.
Okay, I soon come back.
Be careful in them heels. You don't decide yet. You better not want nothing.
I never know such a drive-in movie is expensive. Kiss me neck. $20 each. Plus the boy lend me the old car with not even big jilla gas in there. No aisle. The amount of money I spend on gas and aisle, I could at least a taxi for a whole month. I only hope she not last. She don't seem too illustrious in her head part. But she seems to be a very nice girl. It's one thing we can't take with her. She seems to have a very strong appetite. I should have never carry her anywhere where food sell. I wonder if I should have changed my parking spot on her and come back after the cafeteria close. No, Oliver. You mustn't think those things. Hey, Fear, come on. She seems to be a really very nice girl. It's only $20 me having a my bill full. I don't go up, she don't want nothing, you know. But every time you see that the girl, she wants something to eat. Maybe this side Tommy must strengthen her appetite.
What did you say, Oliver?
Me was just saying that my pants was tight. Must have put on weight.
Oh? So what you doing with your bill full in your hand? You're anxious to spend some money?
No. I was only checking to see if the driver's license up to date.
Oh.
So, you find the bathroom all right?
Yes, ma'am. The show soon start?
Yes, it soon start. You make up your mind if you want anything from the cafeteria?
No.
No, you don't decide yet, or no, you don't make up your mind?
I don't think I want anything.
You sure?
All right, if you insist.
No. I wasn't insisting. I was only making sure that you sure you don't want nothing.
I changed my mind. I'll have something.
You want coconut water or fruit punch? All right, that's soon come.
Oliver, while you're at it, you see, I wonder if I should have something to eat.
You want chewing gum?
No, man, just Oliver.
Yes?
You can carry a piece of jerk chicken and some rice and peas for me?
No fear. They don't sell chicken around there.
Yes, man. Them sell one holy prawn at the back. When I go to use the bathroom, I see them have one holy prawn there.
You sure it's chicken, you say?
Then a big man like me no must know jerk chicken.
Oh, yes. I forgot. You know, make me stay good food.
What?
I say if I see any around there, I will buy it.
And Oliver, you can carry a leg and a breast for me. Me case the movie soon start.
No chicken, so I bring it banana chips and drinks.
No chicken? But I leave a whole heap around here.
It must sell fast, man. You see when I go around here, me see a big fat man buying the last piece. All the pleading and begging I do, him refuse to ease me up. If me did go around there 1 minute more, maybe me that get you. You ever like to me put shot?
So how you go around there and come back so quick?
Quick? Me jog. Look how me I sweat.
I have a sneaking suspicion that you never go around there.
What do you mean by that, Fear? Why a big man like me would I want to tell you a lie?
Because you mean I don't like to spend money.
Look here now. You want the banana chips and drinks or not?
No, I don't want any banana chips. I want jerk chicken.
Me said there is no chicken. What do you expect me to do, Fear? Go outside the street, go run down people, fall, catch it, so jerk it, give you?
Forget the argument. Just forget the argument.
Hey, wait. Why you get so vexed me there? It's not dinner me did invite you to, you know. It's the movie.
But I didn't know you was carrying me here to death for hunger, or else I wouldn't come.
So tell me something. Tell me this. You never eat no dinner in your yard?
No, because you was rushing me.
You eat anything since month?
Listen, just forget the argument. Just forget the argument.
You want the banana chips and drinks or not?
No.
All right, me will have it.
Give me.
the way.